We're finishing up on this 84 solid axle truck. So when we got this truck, it was quite a bit on the rough side. The engine had been leaking for quite some time, and we just really didn't know the condition of it. It didn't start, it came on a trailer. Going through it, once we got the engine out, kind of cleaning everything up, cleaning up wiring on the thing, boy, it just looked a lot worse than what it actually is. Got the stage 2 stroker engine in it. We did an Offenhauser intake manifold, our Weber 38 carburetor. We've got the Weber fuel pressure regulator with our gauge on it. It's an important thing to run on these. Most fuel pumps will put out about 6 pounds of pressure. The Weber needs to be at about 2.5, 3 pounds of pressure. It's all tuned in and running pretty good right now. It's got a couple other things that it needs. We flushed the fuel tank, we put a new fuel pump on it, all new lines. So it's running pretty dang good right now. We did our header, full exhaust. We went through the distributor, it wasn't advancing. We cleaned it all up, got it working right. Did our billet wire loom with the 8.5 millimeter Magnacore wires. It's really actually a pretty snappy little truck now with the 38 on it. Seems like it's a viable candidate now with everything that we've done on it. Just the little things, you know, cleaning up stuff, like I said, wiring, just finding little things as we went along, tearing the truck apart. I think the guy's going to be pretty happy. I mean, a lot of people would have been like, what is this thing? And we tear into them anyways, and it was a pretty nice truck underneath. So the guy's got a good thing. It needs, brakes to go through. It probably hasn't ever had the wheel bearings packed or anything like that. So it's got some stuff that it needs to be done to it, but I think now it's worth doing all that stuff to it.